My robot will use tablet as its own brain computer. This tablet should drive servos. Servos are here, motors. But there is no interface to drive motors from tablet. To provide that interface, I have used Arduino board. Arduino board is here. Arduino board is connected to servos. From over here you can see that connection, and tablet connected to Arduino using OTG cable. So it is simple connection. Now we do have the system. This is robot, electronic part, motors of robot, and remote control. So remote control is going with operator. Operator sends commands to robot. Robot performs commands, and we will participate. So this is robot's part, and besides robot we have phone, which is used. This phone is used by me as a remote control. Sliders works. Command is sent from over here to over there. From this device, command is sent from to over here by Wi-Fi. Okay, now I am switching on USB to connect to servos. Okay, and now this command is sent to servos. Now I can switch sensors as well. You can see sensors. So, there. Figures are changing. Okay. Okay, so it could be closed. So this goes into robot, and this is remote control. This is remote control, this is robot. Okay. I think it is